You know, I'm sitting here in my car and I look at a video that I saw that someone sent me from Jamaica, and it's with Kingston Technical High School students fighting. And oh my God, what is going on? What is wrong with these young people? It's like they're getting from bad to worse. You know, and they say every generation is the same, but no, my generation was never like that. We were never like that. Yeah, every generation was bad and we all did stuff, but this generation is like they're out of control. Totally out of control. It's like they are on something. I don't know what they're on. They're on probably some sort of medication, or is something in the water, or what is it that they just don't have patience with each other? They have to be fighting like animals, cats and dogs. My God, what's going on? This is so outrageous. Now people are scared to send their children to school because they don't know if their child is going to come home alive or their child is going to come home dead. This is scary. This is scary. I am glad I have no children of those tiny age, because I would not be able to sleep to know that this is how these young people are, and they're taking it from the adults. They are taking it example from adults, how these adults are carrying on, because these men are doing the same thing, killing women, beating up women, fighting. My God, stop it. When people don't respect other people's lives, then we are in trouble. Nobody seems to respecting each other's lives. It's as if I don't care about you, you don't care about me, so I can take your life whenever I feel like. What nonsense is that? People need to know that there are going to be consequences, serious and dire consequences for their actions. It makes you wonder, why are these children so angry? What is it in them that caused them to want to harm each other until death? This is just brutality. And sometimes you wonder, do they see this at home? Or is it just in the environment that they're in that they see the violence and they think, well, it's normal? We have to set better example for the young youth. If this is how they are now, can you imagine when they become adult and they have to be in position of authority? These are the students or the children or the young adults that's going to be running the country. They're the ones that's going to be in charge of things. And if they're like that now, how is it going to be then? What's going to happen? What's going to happen to the country? It's going to be a volatile place. You can't live there anymore. It's just going to be a jungle. Something has to be done. Something must be done. And I think things are out of control, that the Prime Minister, he himself don't know what to do. He's as confused as the rest of us, because he's probably never seen anything like this also. And you wonder where this all started. This all started with guns being introduced into the country, and the violence started, and it just escalated to where it is right now. And nobody seemed to know what to do. Putting them in jail is not going to really solve the problem of such. What are you going to do? You can't hang them. You can't let them know that, well, if you do this, you're going to be hung. Well, maybe that'll straighten them up. But something has to be done to get rid of this anger that's within them. Anger. People are so angry now. People don't care for each other anymore. People are like animals. Animals really, and even animals are better than us now, because I see animals caring for each other. Yeah, animals caring for each other. They're not killing each other. No. So why we humans are like this? Well, you know what? I don't want to ramble anymore in this video, but I was just so shocked. I sat here in my car and I just couldn't believe. I just couldn't believe that two young ladies We're going at it like that with the brutality of how men would fight and carry on until one kill the other one. No, can you imagine that child's child's parents, wherever they are, and get the call that their daughter has been killed by another child? I mean, that's so hard. That is so hard for any parent. So guys, I don't know what we're going to do. Things are out of control. I have no idea. So guys, I'll talk to you later in another video. Bye.